What if being a fan could actually make you money or give you VIP access to your favorite athlete? That's not a dream. It's the power of fan tokens and athlete NFTs. From voting to club decisions to owning exclusive digital collectibles, crypto is changing the game for sports fans forever. In this video, I'll break down how fan tokens and athlete NFTs work and how they're turning passion into profit. If you love sports and crypto, this one's is for you. I'm sure you've heard the news. Crypto's taking over sports. But what exactly are fan tokens and athlete NFTs? Let's dive in for the full story. First up, fan tokens. Imagine owning a digital pass that gives you special perks with your favorite team. Clubs like FC Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain have launched fan tokens, letting supporters vote on team decisions, access VIP experiences, and score exclusive merch. It's a whole new way to get closer to the action, and teams have raised millions from their most loyal fans. Now, on to athlete NFTs. Think of these like digital collectibles, trading cards, but on the blockchain. Stars like Lionel Messi and Serena Williams have dropped limited edition NFTs, letting fans own a piece of sports history. Some NFTs even unlock personal videos or meet and greets. So why is this blowing up? For fans, it's about community and exclusive access. For teams and athletes, it means new revenue streams and direct fan engagement. Plus, all transactions are trackable and secure thanks to blockchain tech. But remember, just like any investment, fan tokens and NFTs can go up or down in value. If you're curious, start small and only invest what you're willing to lose. Crypto and sports are teaming up, and it's just the beginning. Want more crypto explainers? Hit subscribe and stay ahead of the game.